Hey y'all, what's going on? It is Amy again with Bargain Mama, and today is not going to bother you because I'm not uploading this video till next week now that I think about it. So I have been talking and blowing smoke up everyone's butt about the fact that I'm going to revamp my channel. I'm ready, guys. I'm ready to revamp my channel. I have goals. I am ready. So in my other house, unfortunately, when I started my channel, it was just kind of like, oh, I'm going to start it. I work in the healthcare business. I was really stressed from being over there. And it was more kind of like, no idea what I'm doing. No idea what I was doing. Still not quite sure. But anyways, now I'm almost to 900 subscribers. So I was like, I should probably start acting like I know what I'm doing, even though I don't. And this headband, woo, killing me. Anyways, so I have gotten a couple things, and I apologize if you see me reading because I have a novel for you guys. But if you have ever watched, so two people that I have been kind of, what is the word I'm looking for? I guess like examining their channels or just kind of seeing what they do. They both write notes, and those two people are My Fairy Treasures and Bella's Bargains, and they write notes. They each have their own different little thing. My Fairy Treasures, she has a little, like, I guess it's like a little bin, and it has like all the stuff that she needs ever during a video right there with her so that she is prepared. And on Bella's Bargains, she has her notebook and her pen right there, and she reads her list. Like, she is ready to go. She is organized and ready to go. And so I thought, you know what, like, those two are doing amazing on their channels, and I need to learn from them. Sorry, I'm like extremely glowy. Anyways, so I'm going to tell you guys kind of what's going to go on with my channel now, okay? So I'm going to do probably more, but no matter what, I'm going to do 3 uploads a week, okay? Tell me if you like these. My son and I have been thinking for a while, like, how am I going to match what I'm going to do with like the days of the week? Because that's what everyone else is doing. And so I felt like that's what I needed to do. So this is what I think we're going to do. So on Mondays, I'm going to do a video, and it's going to be called Motivational Monday. I love to motivate people. It's going to be kind of weekly vlogs, not really though, walks, stories, maybe stories from my clients, because even though obviously I can't tell their names and stuff, like, I can still tell you just different things. I'm sorry, this headband is gonna have to go in a minute. Anyway, oh yeah, that's great. So just different things, you know what I mean? Like, it's going to be just different things of what happened throughout the week. I work with patients ranging where it's out of here. Oh, I can't take it all the way off. Okay, well, whatever. So I work with patients ranging from 18 months old is my youngest patient, ranging all the way up to sometimes I get 107-year-old patients. That's one that I've had recently. I work with patients with autism. I work with patients with just a broken hip, with dementia. They were in the military. They weren't in the military. They're addicted to drugs. They're recovering from drugs. I work with all these different genres, and I love to be inspirational. My favorite patients to work with are the patients that are recovering from drugs. And that is just because it is just, I don't know, it just has something inside of me. I don't know what it is. So anyways, I thought that's what I'm going to do for Monday. So let me know what you think about that. Then Wednesdays, it's going to be called Winter Wednesday, and it's going to be a weekly haul. So, the W, that makes sense. Weekly Wednesday haul. I literally just caught on to that. So that's the day that I will announce a winner, and I'll show you what the winner is going to get. And we are going to have a winner every single week until the end of the year. And sometimes we will even have more than one winner in a week. And so my third, no matter what day I will be uploading a video, is on Fridays. And on Fridays, I'm going to call it Fun Fridays. And that is either going to be a recipe I've made from that week, food I've made from that week, probably hauls, because there's no way I'm going to get all the stuff I buy in one day. But it could be hauls, and it could be crafts. I don't know. And again, there's a chance I will post other days in the week, but no matter what, so that we all kind of get on the same page, I will be posting Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. No matter what, you will see me on here 3 days a week, no matter what. So again, it could be other days, but it doesn't matter. Like, those are going to be the days no matter what. So now, to get entered into any of my giveaways for the end of the year, these are the rules. Obviously, you must be 18 or older. Yeah, You just have to be. I'm sorry. You must be within, is it the continental United States? Yeah, you have to be in the continental United States. I'm sorry. I work 2 jobs. I cannot afford to send it to, I don't know, other countries. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I might change that every once in a while though. And yeah, so I might change that every once in a while. And so this is the big kicker. And this is what you must do every single week to be entered in on Wednesday. So you must comment and like on Monday and Friday's videos. So, and I will pick the winner on Tuesdays at 7 p.m. I will announce them on my video on Wednesday. So Tuesday, 7 p.m., the cutoff, okay? So you'll watch my Friday video. You will watch my Monday video. You will like and comment, and you will like and comment on the Monday video. On Tuesday, I will use the random selector and see who did that. And at 7 p.m., I will do that and I will find out who won. And on Wednesday, I'll tell you the winner. I mean, it's kind of that easy. And oh, you must be subscribed to my channel. Definitely. So, I mean, it's kind of easy. If you have any questions, let me know. I am going to type all this out into the comments box below. And I'm sorry, but I am reading my little thing because, like I said, they do amazing when they read off their notebook. So, this is how the first week is going to go because I really want to try to get it started kind of as soon as possible because I have so many. I'm going to show you what I'm going to give away, but I have so many. So I want to start as soon as possible. So the first winner will be picked on Wednesday, September 1st. Wednesday, September 1st is when the first winner will be announced. So that means in order to even have a chance to have your name announced on September 1st, you must comment, like, and be a subscriber on Friday, August 27th's video, and on Monday, August 30th's video. So again, that is Friday, August 27th, and Monday, August 30th. You must comment and like, and you must be a subscriber. And on Tuesday, August 31st at 7 p.m., I'll cut it off. I will do the random selector, pick the winner, and then I'll announce it to you guys on Wednesday. So I think that's kind of self-explanatory. I don't know. Sometimes like you think something sounds good and then you watch it later and you're like, what in the heck was I saying? So let me just say. So again, you must, on 2 of my videos a week, you must like and comment. You must be a subscriber no matter what. So for the upcoming week, for the first giveaway, you must comment and like Friday, August 27th's video and Monday, August 30th's video. I will pick the winner on Tuesday, August 31st, and I will announce the first winner on Wednesday, September 1st. Okay? So now let's get into what am I giving away. I have it written down here. So I'm going to obviously add way more stuff into these giveaways. So the main thing is going to be what I'm going to show you. It is not going to be just one thing. I'm going to put so much stuff in there. It's insane. But I just want to show you what the one main thing will be. And guys, it is the calendars. Whoop. Yes. I don't even know. Like, so there's 23 calendars here total. So we're going to go through them really quick. And I will show you which ones I have. So I do have one of the 2022 inspirational quotes. That's one of them. And I will link the videos where I hauled these and showed you like the pictures on the back and stuff so that this little video isn't extremely long so that you can get on there and you can see what they look like and see if you even want it. 2022 Blossoms calendar. One of those. One of the 2022 Lighthouse calendar. And these all are 2-packs. They have a smaller calendar in there also. Don't want this to fall over. The 2022 Tropical Beaches calendar. Again, there's one of those, and that's 2 calendars in there though. This is the 2022 Landscapes calendar. Again, it has the second one in there. Don't worry guys, I'm saving the good stuff for last. This is the God Bless This Farm calendar. This only has the one, it does not have the smaller one with it. Again, I will link the videos below where I showed the back and what the small little pictures look like. The Buffalo Check with the chicken or rooster or whatever desk calendar, one of those. And now I have to read my thing because I think all of them are 2. So this one right here, Enjoy the Little Things, the 2022 calendar. This is a motivational one. Okay, so then I believe these are all 2. Oh, no, I'm lying. Oh, yes. Okay. So I have 2 of the 2022 farmhouse calendars. 2 of those. I have 2 of the 2022 farmers market calendars. Oh, gosh, I'm not going to be able to put them all there. It's going to be a mess if I do. I'll have to move them somewhere else. I have 2 of the thankful, grateful, and blessed calendars. Those ones. And I have 7 of the 2022 Farm Fresh calendars. And let me tell you guys what else I have. Let me put that there. I also, guys, have 2 of the 2021 Farmers Market calendar from last year. Yes. So this one, I'm sure you guys know, but I will show you the back of because I have not hauled this in a long time since last year, and so I don't even want to try to find that one. So yes, I have 2 of these ones, and again, this is last year's calendar, 2021. So that equals 23 calendars in total, and yeah, so like I said, I am going to link them up with different things, such as like if the farmer's market one with the food and stuff, I could possibly put in maybe some ribbon, washi tape, stuff like that has like fruits and vegetables on it, things like that. You know, I mean, just whatever. Maybe notebooks, pens, whatever I can find that go along with these. But everything that goes into your giveaway will go around the calendar. So whichever one we choose for that week, I will put your, like, the giveaway. I don't know. Anyways, I'll put the items in there. Like I will, oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Anyways, so yeah, that is what we have, guys. 23 calendars in total. And yeah, so I'm going to do a giveaway every single day until the end of the year. I'm sorry. Oh no, I'm not. I'm doing it every single week till the end of the year. But guys, there is less than 23 weeks until the end of the year. So that means that sometimes during some of my videos, I am going maybe during, say, so right now, no matter what, I have videos coming up on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, right? So possibly if I put up a video on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, or Sunday, there may be a giveaway in that also, because I want to get rid of all the calendars and a lot of my stuff by the end of the year, because I want to buy new stuff, and I have realized that I don't have any room even in my new house. I don't know where I put everything, so I need to get rid of it, and what better thing to do than to give it to you guys. So again, it is going, let me just tell you one more time. I know you're like, Amy, I got it, but let me pull out my handy dandy notebook, you know, from Blue's Clues. Again, we are going to start this on Friday, August 27th's video. Like, comment, and already be subscribed. Monday, August 30th's video. Like, comment, and already be subscribed. Tuesday, August 31st at 7 p.m. That's it. Like, I will be picking the winner then. No one after that. Wednesday, August 1st, I will pick the winner. And we will just go from there. The next Friday, like, comments. The following Monday, like, comment. Tuesday, 7 p.m., cutting it off. So after that, it's going to be every single week. Friday and Monday, you must like and comment. When Tuesday, I will cut it off. Wednesday, I'll announce the video or the winner, whatever, you know. So, all right, guys, like, I'm so excited about this. I already have all of the packages to place them in. I am ready. I'm ready for this. Like, all I need to do is write your name on it. So, hey, let me tell you too. You will have 24 hours to get back to me to give me your address, because I have seen people who it's just insane to give stuff away. Like, you can't even give stuff away because nobody answers you. So you will have 24 hours, and I will also put my my email down below so that you can get a hold of me any way possible. And because like I said, I want to give this stuff away. So, all right, guys, good luck to everyone. And I cannot wait to start like revamping my channel. Yeah. I'm excited. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. Bye.